My boys, welcome to my show. Me, Educa Team, Easy Beat. Of course, Agbalot is inside the studio. Okay, so as my boys, do you like what you see? I'm the queen of the kings. So these are my guys. We'll go market. When we come back, as you see all of us in black, we go sit down. Then we are ready to thrill you tonight on Top the Night Show. Yeah. Zagazao.
I know I gave it months ago. I know you're trying to forget. I know I gave it months ago. I know you're trying to forget. I know I gave it, 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 months ago, go, gave it months ago, go, gave it months ago, go, gave it months ago, go, gave it, go.
Hip hop is us.
Yes, we are hip hop. Hip hop is us. We drink, sleep,
and bring hip hop and eat.
holla. Hip hop heads. But I couldn't even know what I was today. My name now they do the Oscar of me, Team Easy Beat. Everybody,
That
team
is how we plan the show. Honestly.
It's a coincidence.
It's a coincidence. And then the stupid one, the very idiot, higgy, haga,
Pestilation Aqua.
Pestilation Aqua,
Crinkle
Okola.
Kaku.
Yeah, Crinkle Kaku, higgy, haga.
I love you. Flex.
All of us here for the election today. And let's go forget music, we get artists. When they say the voice today. In name, not T-Mane.
T-Mane.
Wait, what will be your name?
No spoiler.
What will be your name?
T-Mane.
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 Wait. T, call him.
T-Mane.
What will be the name when your papa and mama give you when them born you?
Originally.
Tony.
So T-Mane come from Tony.
Now Tony, Abina, and Tony, they give you.
Anthony Emmanuel. T-Mane.
No, talk now.
Anto. Na Anthony.
Anthony Emmanuel.
Anthony again.
Wabwezi.
Hey,
This guy is look at what's strong to you.
what's wrong to you?
I mean,
So you want for you are the oh Jesus.
we need originality.
Yeah, you understand what I mean?
Brother.
Why your name? Give it up for T. Now you go play.
Okay.
Now,
Hold on.
okay, introduce. Now, for example, now maybe Anthony Nwabueze. Now you be the MC now. Now maybe the artist will one cup perform.
All right.
Artist and hype man. Are you gonna be a hand?
Ladies and gentlemen, right about now, I'm about to bring on stage. Please give it up all the way. Give it up for T-Mane Wabwezi.
Yeah. What's up?
Yo.
What's up? Holy.
Yo.
Yeah, my people. What's up? I go by the name of T-Mane Wabwezi.
Yo.
From Munga Local Government Area of Imo State.
Yeah.
My papa is a farmer. My mama is a trader. You can meet us up at shop number 2.
Yeah.
Happy Way Market. We
Way
sell
back.
different kind of things.
Way back.
But before I continue, let me drop the music. DJ track 2.
Drop this.
Hold on, DJ. This song we're about to drop now.
Yeah.
My hype man is here.
Yeah.
It's on WeTunes because iTunes is filled up.
Yeah.
DJ, drop it like it's hot.
Jesus Christ of God. Hey!
Blessings. Hey, thank you. That is our current picture. Download it now.
On all the tunes. Cheers. That is what it is, yo. That is what it is. Small one. When you maintain this comedy, what will they do?
My brother.
To be artist.
See,
So when
you
are they
know how to sing the song, go.
when are they criticize and abuse some artists?
No, but I get some artists where they need
fear
criticize.
God, fear
He
God.
get
no.
some where not get fear of God. Before
Like
they
we-
enter studio, go sing nonsense. You get some. And
They do. No.
Not be the artist that they verse for.
The producer.
Now producer. When they say man, your
No.
your track is a hit.
You go blow.
My brother,
No.
you will
that,
blow.
That key, take it in like quality.
And if that is not losing
Quality.
voice,
I want to be a
I
lion
want
king.
Lion King. I want to be a Lion King.
That's what I do. I
I will get the video.
I bet we'll see that video of quality.
Because T-Man need to T-Man name.
You know what thing happen? I bet if we get the video of quality, I bet K-Solo, help us play video of quality.
Because
so that you will understand.
Yeah, our guests need to. You have to have a test of it.
That artist.
That artist.
Oh no. You know what's not be the artist you go once, not the producer. You go walk off for
You know,
it.
say,
Memo Siam.
you know,
So
say,
we go see him.
Okay.
The act talk.
you know, say this 5 and 6 what they do now. It will say bring quality.
My brother!
If I say bring this quality, come perform.
See, man.
It got tears.
See, money. You not gonna understand. More watch quality.
Lion King.
Then when we come back,
Queen, my lion king, my lion queen. I like to be a hero, rise from zero, money and gold, can the love I have for you, girl, since when I said you're not out of my mind, since when I said you, I don't know, and just you exist, look at such beauty, diaries, without makeup. Look at obvious beauty, which is naturally and down. Dictionary cannot describe how beautiful you are. That is why I need your big coat. That's why my girl, you are my lion queen. That's why my girl, you are my lion queen. That's why my girl, you are my lion queen.
That's why my dude, you are my lion king.
Oh Lord.
no, now maybe we ask Team and name now. No, look at that time he didn't used to see the video. I don't get the video. So now we ask him again. If this kind of quality come this Agbola soiree,
Hey.
my God.
Hey.
Nah, this one, I need to speak Igbo for this one. Nah, only for Bonu. I will finish my mouth.
Now, before we enter team money matter, of course, our own person, in fact,
You know, say-
this idiot they here.
Yeah.
Agbala.
For comedy, like we always say, when you say idiot, it's a compliment.
Yeah, fool.
You are idiot.
No, they come from that side.
The
See how comedians they agree. See how would they agree.
last time we come here, we'll do this thing. Just to remind them again. So, Godfather.
Idiot!
Oh, is idiot. Oh, boy, what kill them?
Oh, my
Your
God.
father, idiot.
Oh, idiot!
You dey craze.
Oh,
My God. Now I go greet with that.
Now I greet
If you see us and you don't understand that, just walk up.
Just walk up.
Thank you.
Flicks, and flicks.
You get away from there. My job for you.
Oh, yeah.
Ah, Edu, you don't see my new shoe. Are you the man?
They got like
Now this kind of comedy you go see on the 20th, no 20th.
20th, this Sunday.
20th.
This Sunday, what time? 5 p.m.
5 p.m. This guy, in fact, more show a small video clip.
Yes.
I be small 15
artists
seconds
them we go-
of artists who go perform. We go
This
there.
no be Agbola on top the late night show.
No,
This
no,
another
no.
side of Agbola one I don't even know.
All of us
Yes.
go there.
Yes.
All of us.
Yeah.
K-Solo, K-Moss, where they hear a name. All those guys we want die for K-Solo. When I go see them die.
Easy
That's gonna make it.
Hey.
Easy go do DJ that
So
day.
all the auntie them.
Monica Oga go there, Isaac Gerald. Nene Ola. This guy get too cool.
Oh.
So I don't know. We need Tolu go there. Clay,
Clay.
it'll be there.
Come on, this be here, man.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
Elenu,
Shakara, Lalawan, and this one.
This idiot.
And it does. Where am I the run? Go. Okay.
Everybody.
Thank you.
Everybody go there.
I don't
on
understand that
Sunday.
red and white. What did they use? I
No,
don't know.
red and white is color of love.
It's love. It's love. As
So,
long as you use
wait,
love.
so it's love in March. That's what.
If red and white, if red and white na color of love.
No, because of love. The Red
Heartbreak.
Cross.
Heartbreak.
Heartbreak no get color.
Heartbreak.
Na black and red.
No, love way arrow shook.
That's why it's
Ghana
black and
Cupid.
red now.
Heartbreak na still red.
Heartbreak.
No, as if true love na red and white.
Heartbreak
will be red
is
and black.
black and red.
Red and black.
Red and black. Because real love go be dark red.
And black as
I
blood.
want to say real love. Because
Now,
it go dark red.
Ogbolo, tell us what you
No, why you call them 5 and 6 first?
Why- first of
What
all,
is
So,
5
you
and
know,
6?
say na easy way to just talk. Say you and your person. You understand?
Why you
Say
don't
we
say 3
join
and 4?
together. No,
No, na
that
5 and
thing-
6
5 and 6 na the
everybody
popular one for everybody. You know, 5 and 6. You know, we did together.
Why is your 5 and 7?
Talk, because.
So you are ignoring me.
You seem like you are dodging that question.
Yes.
Ask it again.
Now, two of us go
Where,
come now.
what's your 5 and 7? I know say 5 and 6. I said 5 and 7.
Okay.
five
No,
and
Nedu, jump that question now.
I jump it in Jesus'
In the
name.
name of the Lord. Please,
Amen.
rebuke that question.
I rebuke it.
Overshadow.
Fire.
Prayer
Hey,
now.
Sorry, sorry. Not be so I dream day first today. I go see Kylie Jenner for dream. Which one? My brother Kylie Jenner, Kim Kardashian's sister.
Which one?
Eh,
Which one?
now, Papa,
The
now.
one where do lips now.
The one
Kylie-
wey come
no,
from
no, no,
Ethiopia, be the
No,
one
that
wey
one I
come
didn't say
from
that.
You know,
Nah.
there are 2 of them there.
You get one
No.
Kylie Jenner wey come from Ethiopia.
No. This Kylie Jenner, the Kim Kardashian.
No,
own.
Kylie, na their last born.
The last one.
Their last born. We do
When I
lips.
go say,
No, that one fine,
when
that one
I
fine,
do
no.
lips.
That one
My
fine,
brother,
no.
when I wake up, when I for the dream, it they sweet me.
What do you do for the dream?
My
I
brother,
don't know.
don't ask me.
God bless you, Simi. God bless you, my
As you
brother.
start and you must complete am.
Yes.
Complete
What
that.
did you do inside the...
When I can't wake up,
It is with you for
see,
dreams.
when I can't wake up,
You know sweet
I
you
can't
again.
remember waiting. Everybody will enter Kanye West at their house. All of them, they get either one problem or the other. Bruce Jenner, he changed to woman, to Caitlyn. The other guy, Lamar older.
The man,
He
in
don't-
brain just baffled.
The other one will
Yes.
escape quick. He's something affect him, but he see they okay.
You see, for where he
Kanye
never
West,
get himself.
They
No,
mad
he
now.
did- that was the soul rapper now.
My brother, now say,
So waiting for do you now?
Now so I begin pray fire.
They say very soon now Kanye West go release album with no song inside. He go just tell us make we dey imagine.
Imagine the music.
Imagine the music.
No, say
And
the
they
guy
go say,
don
man,
dey
it's a
crazy.
hit.
And he go blow.
It's a hit.
He go there number one.
He go top
Now
the charts
I
now.
rebuke it. Anybody that's going to come in form of Kylie Jenner, I bind you. Anyway,
But that gonna find get though.
My brother.
If they do forget it.
well,
No, you see that their family.
Some kind wish they will be say they go call you say press me.
He say only this one so just press this one make you go.
If God don't help me, you know, say, imagine
Oh my
say
God.
some people they proud, say they get AIDS, HIV.
Yes.
Say we they crazy. You know who give you HIV? Beyonce. You they mad.
You have
Beyonce HIV.
You have Beyonce.
Strawberry HIV.
I'll show you. Vanilla.
But
Not trying to. My HIV, man, higher level.
you who give you HIV? Oh, Pukomena.
It just be like the same thing wey people dey say if I wan get accident abeg make it be better motor na him go jam me. Make
Now-
better motor jam me.
Well, tell us about 5 and 6. Tell us everything we need to know about 5 and 6.
Okay, 5 and 6. 5 and 6.
Lovers soiree. I don't know. Since when I'm going to come to
Lovers.
somebody?
No, see this whole thing. You don't necessarily need to become one lover person to come organize some kind of things. Even though I be, you understand. But on the other
Sister, we
side,
greet you.
yeah. So yeah. You know, say you never took away I propose. So
Nabi, you never Agbala go
She
to
said
marry you.
yes.
She said, if you see the girl, she never punk.
No, maybe you see, we go come to
Agbala, this guy is a very greedy
the
woman.
next
brother.
He
time.
don't look for girl.
I'm
Where
not.
girl.
The
So
next
I'm not gonna call her.
time,
Yeah, I'm in the
he go
salon. No.
He not look for girl where go they buy
No,
human
not
hair.
salon,
This
no.
girl they cut her hair punk.
Low cut.
That is the way
Yes,
to go.
yes,
Now continue,
yes.
my brother. Back
So now 5 and 6 now for lovers them. First and foremost, whether I did relationship or not, you like everything we concern love. First, you know. But I try to do this one, say move down for March. Make it not be like say now only February everybody go they celebrate love.
things.
After February 14, everybody go just lock up.
Yeah.
Just maybe December before they go to say, okay, make I go buy one thing for my person. You understand? But we feel celebrate love every other day. You understand? So this particular one, couples, them, husband and wife, them, where just say, okay, we don't do the house, we don't born children. But spice no can do the whole thing again. We just go somewhere where we just feel go. We can't play because couple game plenty.
20 now when
Husband and
Sunday.
wife, they go play some kind game. You also make them they bond better. Then single people, then maybe get boyfriend, get girlfriend, so can't give this for them.
People like
Then-
Easy Bit to not get baby.
Easy Bit, no, they get game for them. Now hooking up things, so we go hook up some kind of people that day.
It get some girls where una be 3 sisters, who all of them won't marry Easy Bit.
Yeah.
I beg, una go fit come for this show. Ticket not too expensive.
No,
3K
not because-
for singles.
3K if you get
5K
single.
a
Yes.
couple.
5K if you don't marry.
VIP.
VIP table.
VIP table how much?
50K.
50K.
For how many?
3K, 5K, 50K.
How many seats?
How many table? How many chairs they did for the
For the 50K, and like 8 seats.
8 seats.
So now we come together.
Yes.
Call your brother-in-law, call your sister-in-law, come and join the money together. So we know that it's an Adeleke table.
Bam.
It's a table.
T-Money never married too. He's single.
Yes.
He's searching
He
for
go
a babe.
there.
Yes.
He too go there.
Yes.
So Mona come. Now for those who go perform, Nosa,
Nosa,
Isaac Gerard,
Nosa.
Monica, Oga,
Who
Ninyola,
go
and
MC
Isaac.
am?
Now me the MCM.
And of course,
See, they do what they are, so you can just say they do go there.
must
They
dey
do
there.
go handle one
What
kind
is
game.
that?
Yes, he get what I
You get
go
one
handle.
kind game
He
wey
get
you
what I
go
go handle.
And you know,
This
say
spoil
for
people
Nedu
head.
today there.
Oh.
You get it now.
This
You
one that they see
understand
here
me?
now, I just say tip of the
Tip of the iceberg.
Like full
star.
craze. It's a full craze that day, you know. But not be really about the music and the comedy
Yes.
we did for the side.
Now
Now about the
two
couple them
people.
and the people that will come. You understand? Because different games, they back to back to back. The music and the comedy are just side attraction.
Okay.
But that couple, that day, husband and wife, my when I
If husband and wife they quarrel, come.
that day.
Your
Now
quarrel
say
it
as
will
now
be
they go house,
sex free.
make una look at themselves. Say, see, Tazi, just this good thing. I love you. Just go house. If they don't go for, they fit add one joy.
My brother!
Just in case, you know.
My brother, what can the son of man do?
Just top it up. You know.
You know, extra.
Just one
Just
for the
one
road.
for the road.
One
Now,
for the road.
this thing they happen for
Monty buffet.
Monty
Monty
buffet.
buffet.
Yes.
Now for Karim
Now,
Ika.
what's it that a restaurant?
No, now one cozy place. This event, don't be saying now
Because
one
even
big
me,
thing.
I don't know it.
Not be big event.
Not
I know
just
very few
big
people.
concert. Now just few people go all day there together. You know, we just come, day one place, make noise, happy with ourselves, go
Yes.
house. You understand?
When if it
Now,
get
Monty
ticket
buffet.
now?
If it get first and foremost that venue. And so because some people they always ask, say how.
Okay,
Once you
okay,
don't reach
okay.
that cinema place for Island, you understand? Where they say Galleria side. From there easy. You understand? Where you don't reach Bar Beach side.
Yes.
So enter Karimu Kotuno. Now one of the road we just pass that road.
When
enter.
they come, when they carry me continue, they come out to Eco Hotel side.
Once you don't reach other venue, you just enter the
Okay.
place. It's dey easy. But if you get your ticket there for Party Perfect gift store,
Okay.
for inside the Palms, where you suppose to be as
Okay, when near
ShopRite.
one bank like
You
that.
get one gift store
In
wey
there,
dey
in there,
inside the
one pharmacy.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, I
So
know
now by
it.
your left, like you no go miss out.
And then
you no go miss out.
if for people who not fit go buy am there, uncle, those who want come, some people go figure that for the show. They
For
go
the
come.
show, yes, you go fit get am for the venue. But some people wey dey
Which
for
time be the
Surulere.
venue, sef?
For the venue, I see the
yeah.
Monty buffet now. But people dey for Surulere, you go fit see am for Debbie Photo Studio.
Okay, Debbie Photo
For Brown
Studios.
Road for Aguda.
Yes,
you
we
go
know
fit see am
Debbie.
there. But if you no fit go on this side, on the day of the
We know
venue.
say a lot of people go just like go to the venue.
Yeah.
Let's go early so we can get a nice seat.
Exactly.
And sit down and cozy and sip some
Yes,
water.
ma'am.
One thing I go like tell una be say not be every this as I take your about TikTok na very selected few, not be everybody.
Yes,
So
yes.
for you to join, quick, go to Larry, go buy your ticket,
Yes.
and then go for ShopRite where
Or
you
even come here. Come
Or
and
come
pull
here.
Wazobia
Yes,
info.
exactly.
And then if you need the ticket, you get number where you go call. You go call 080-25 29 79 26. I call them again. 080
080
25
25
29
29
79
79
26.
26.
Or it walk one. 080
080
not be
081.
081
081
071
071
94
94
128
128
081
081
071
071
94
94
128.
128.
You fit call the number.
You fit call the number.
Then you go fit arrange tickets.
Then you arrange the ticket by yourself.
That first number where you call, if they call, because some people don't call me, say they want to come propose that day. You understand? So different things don't join the whole level. You understand? Some people now say, okay, they want to do one kind of special thing for their partner that day, where the partner no go know.
Those who
But
want
it don't
break up
happen
with
on
their
that day.
Those
It
who
will
want
be
break up,
so
will come.
sweet.
If you want break up, come for counseling. We get counseling. Pastor Yah is supposed to do that place that day. Just to come and say, why do you want to do? Let me tell you, the word of the Lord said. You understand? Just help them put it together. But if they call and person no pick, because sometimes people they call plenty and person no pick, if you send text message,
They go
say
reply
okay like
you.
this, like no flash, oh. No flash.
No
Somebody
flash.
flash for Africa.
Now, T-Money, back to you. What will make you leave your name more busy? Begin answer T-Money. Not true now.
Okay. I know leave am. First of all, na my surname.
Okay.
Your name on
Nwabueze na my surname forever. So when they check my profile, they go see Anthony Nwabueze, aka T Money.
T-Money, okay.
Uh-huh.
What be the money? What come be the T?
T-Money.
T-Money.
Na T Money, oh, but I changed the
Oh,
spelling.
E-Money.
Oh,
No,
to T-Money.
T-Money.
Uh-huh.
Kanya to T-Money.
I changed the
Money.
spelling so that wahala no go dey.
Oh, so that you know they sound like E-Money.
Okay. Make wahala no dey, mo no dey share the name.
Where you from?
Well, I'm from Asaba.
Asaba.
Delta boys.
I think Nana did do.
I know they.
It's a guinea.
My wife, shut up.
They say they do it.
My brother. You know, say, guess I
I
can't
don't
do it. I
know.
guess I can't do it. Talk.
You go one village for Delta City for that. Are you near Asaba? They say they thief goat.
My brother.
If you know, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.
Ask me